Before working with Dr. Diamond and Femme Meets Fortune, I would say that my business owned me as opposed to me owning my business. I believe that it was worth the investment in myself. Before taking the leap into the mastermind group, I did the confidence course in business first, which I think should be a prerequisite for everybody going into the mastermind. And this was something that really helped me to understand all of the pieces and parts of myself as feminine that are needed to really direct the ship of the business. Not as a masculine effort, which I've done for the past 40 years being in medicine, but to really own the feminine part of me that can pour into what it is that I'm bringing into the world. And what I found through Femme Meets Fortune Mastermind is that I actually have a feminine side to me that's so important to be able to fully embody my business. And the other thing that really shocked me was how deficient of personal pleasure I've been throughout my entire career, where I had to be more of a man in a man's world, and I didn't know what it was like to own a business, to run a business. On the feminine side, I considered that my weakness. And it's still something I wake up every day and I have to remind myself of, to give myself even little morsels of feminine pleasure every day. And asking for the support and the help of other women to, again, unite together so that collectively, just coming together in loving kindness, again, supporting each other, having each other's back, and being each other's cheerleader, and asking for that. I always thought that that was a weakness, that I had to do it all myself. The conversation around pleasure for me is that my feminine was always something I denied. I felt that it was a weakness in me that needed to be disciplined or overcome through the masculine side. And the pleasure element is that thing that nurtures and nourishes my feminine side, to understand that the pieces of us are equally important. And doing that in a community of other women has been the most profound thing to transform me as a business owner and my message and mission going into this world. Hi, I'm Dr. Pamela Hyde, and I currently live in Denver, Colorado.